Hi guys, Rachel here! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my shower routine video. When I filmed my morning routine, I asked you guys if you want to see a shower routine, and some of you said, yes, go ahead and film it. By the way, the watch that I'm wearing right now is from Daniel Wellington. If you guys are interested, I will leave the link below. I really like it. I've been wearing this non-stop na, like I wear it daily na. Anyway, wala na ako ibang masasabi, so I will go ahead and show you guys my shower routine. Yes! Okay, so first thing I do is inubad ko lahat ng jewelries ko because ayoko silang basain sa shower. Though, pwede ko naman basain yung iba, but wala lang, ayoko lang. And then yung glasses ko din, obviously, hindi ko siya pwedeng basain, diba? And then I always listen to music kapag naliligo ako. So I just go to my music app, go to radio, and then I choose the charting now para mapakinggan ko yung mga bagong sikat na kanta. And then, ito na. Mag-shower na ako. First thing I do is, of course, binabasa ko yung katawan ko. And then, I brush my teeth. Someone actually commented on my morning routine video na, you don't brush your teeth. Well, I brush it during the shower. So, there you go. And then, for my shampoo, I use the Garnier Fructis, yung strengthening shampoo and conditioner. I love the shampoo, you guys. Binabasa ko lang yung buhok ko. Siguro mga 3 to 4 times a week. So, hindi ko siya binabasa araw-araw. Kapag nagsha-shampoo ako, yan yung shampoo na gamit ko kasi bet ko siya. And then, yung treatment na gamit ko sa buhok ko, actually, this is the very first time na ginamit ko tong treatment na to because I was using the keratin treatment. Pero, nung time na nag-film na ako nitong video na to, naubos siya. Like, timing talaga na naubos siya. And I actually ended up really liking this. I will leave the list of all the products that I use in the description box if you guys are interested. Yeah, and then for my cleanser, I use the Vanish na cleanser, and then I use this tool na I got from Gearbest. It looks like yung parang Foreo na sobrang mahal na available sa Sephora, pero hindi siya Foreo. Nakuha ko siya from Gearbest. As you guys can see, merong blue light yung parang brush na ginamit ko sa mukha ko. Hindi siya brush, pero you know what I mean? Kasi you can turn it on, tapos nagva-vibrate siya. So, yan yung ganap niya. Hindi ko muna siya nire-rinse. Nag-apply na ako ng sabon na agad-agad. And yung sabon na gamit ko is the one from Koji-san. Sobrang daming Koji-san yung dinala ko dito kasi alam ko na walang Koji-san dito. And then, gustong-gusto ko tong sabon na to kasi grabe siya bumula. And then, I use this loofah na I got from Sephora. Yeah, I always make sure na gumagamit ako ng loofah or like a scrubbing mitt something after ko magsabon. Kasi para sa akin, mas malinis yung feeling kapag gumagamit ako ng ganyan. And then, pagkatapos ko maligo, yung pinakaunang ginagawa ko is nilalagay ko yung contacts ko just to make sure na walang skincare products sa kamay ko. Like, you know, sobrang linis ng kamay kasi natatakot ako na baka mapunta yung skincare sa mata ko, you know na. So yeah, I apply my contacts and then I proceed sa aking skincare. I am using here my Mario Badescu na toner. Yan lang yung nadagdag sa skincare routine ko. So, I do have a skincare routine. I will leave the link below if you guys are interested kasi na-film ko na yon. So, after ng skincare routine ko, I take care of my kilikili. I use epilator para sa aking kilikili and you guys listen to this. That is super scary. Pero nasanay na ako. Hindi ko to ginagawa araw-araw. Ginagawa ko to once a week. Nung unang gumamit ako ng epilator, sobrang nasasaktan ako, char. Nasasaktan yung kilikili ko. Kasi marami siyang nabubunot na buhok at the same time. Hindi na siya pa isa-isang buhok. So, masakit talaga siya. Pero I have been using this for a really long time na nasanay na yung kilikili ko. Hindi na siya masakit para sa akin at all. Parang wala lang. And hindi na din ganun kadami yung buhok ng kilikili ko. Kaya hindi na siya ganun kasakit. Kailangan na mahaba yung buhok ng kilikili mo. Hindi naman sobrang haba. Pero like, mahaba enough para mag-grab siya ng epilator. Kasi kapag hindi siya mahaba, wala. Hindi siya makukuha ng epilator. So, yeah. And then, after ko siya gamitin, tinatanggal ko yung head niya. Tapos, nililinis ko siya after ko siya gamitin. Tapos, nire-rest ko lang siya dyan para mag-dry siya. And ready na siya for my next gamit. And then, for my deodorant, I use the Dove Go Fresh. Yung cucumber and green pea scent. Ito yung pinaka-paborito kong deodorant. As in, sobrang gustong-gusto ko to. Pero, hindi ko siya ginagamit after mag-epilate. Hindi ako naglalagay ng deodorant after after ako mag-epilate, I apply lotion daily. Yung gamit ko na lotion ngayon is yung Vaseline na Intensive Care Deep Restore Lotion. Sobrang moisturizing nitong lotion na to. So, nilalagay ko lang siya sa kamay ko, sa legs ko, and then sa likod ko, yung naabot lang ng kamay ko. And then, sa chan ko. Basta, all over my body, nag-a-apply ako ng lotion. And then, nililinis ko yung aking tenga using this Q-tip. Boring. Pero ang cute ng lalagyan ng Q-tip, no? Nakuha ko yan from Banggood. And then, after that, nilalagay ko lang ulit yung aking mga jewelries na I wear on a daily. So, yung rings ko, yung bracelet ko, and then, itong watch ko na I wear daily na kasi I really like it. Pagkatapos yan, nililinis ko yung glass ng shower. Kasi para hindi mag-build up yung mga, like, you know, yung mga tumalsik na sabon. So, minimake sure namin na nililinis namin siya araw-araw. And then, yeah, yan na yung shower routine ko. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like this video if you want to see a nighttime routine, because I would love to do that if you want that. So please like this video if you want to see that. And that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye!